Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium leather heated seats, rear view camera, spray and bed liner, tow hooks, side plates, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with storage and cup holders on the bottom. It's going to come equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. You're going to have these wood and green chrome accent finishes with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. You're also going to have these LT Trail Boss running boards with that off-road look. And just the driver's seat's going to be power adjustable lumbar, but both heated leather seats, very comfortable. Moving on to the left, we're going to have our trailer and our race modes and our 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as our lighting control. Onto the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our cruise control as well as our heated steering wheel. You're going to have that black emblem badging. And on the right side, our voice recognition and our odometer cluster control. With the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access everything from your trip A, trip 1, as well as your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, brake pads, and so much more. You're going to have the classic truck shifter, push to start. You're going to have your dual zone climate control with your automatic park assist, hill descent control, rear lift gate, trailer brake, as well as 2 fast ports, 1 12-volt DC port, and 1 AC wall charger. Up onto the infotainment system now. It's going to come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar services, as well as your trailering. And of course, you can access Amazon Alexa, climate, rear view camera, and Spotify as well. You're going to have lots of extra storage here. You're going to have extra cup holder, center console with more quick charge ports, and an SD card reader for navigation. Passenger side is going to be manually adjustable. As well, it's going to have that wood and chrome accent, as well as that double glove box. You're going to have speakers up top, a little storage compartment right there, as well as your SOS, OnStar, rear sliding window, and as well as your powered sunroof. So you're going to have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. You're going to have the black mirror cap and keyless entry door handles. Going to the back, Trail Boss badging with the corner step and that dual exhaust, as well as your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. And have that automatic tailgate with about 12 bed tie downs, as well as LED powered lights and an AC wall socket just right in the back. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, it's going to have the same style. You're going to have the cup holder and storage on the bottom, as well as the Bose speakers, wood and chrome accent with the power windows. It's a crew cab, lots of extra leg room, storage behind each seat, rear cup holders, as well as rear ventilation, and 2 quick charge, actually 1 quick charge, 1 USB-A, as well as a 12-volt DC port. Center console, you're going to have the armrest and cup holder, storage behind the seats as well as storage under the seats, lamps up top, and you're going to have the handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we had this quick review on this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, as well as max trailer package, tow hooks, off-road running boards, as well as sprayed bed liner, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.